Hi, I'm Sasha Segan from PCMag.com, here to show you some colorful iPhones, most notably this one. This is the new purple iPhone 12, and as you can tell, it's kind of a demure lavender. It's a very nice light shade of purple. You can see it through the glass. It has a light purple surround, the metal surround on the phone. It's a lovely new color for the iPhone 12, which comes in blue, green, black, white, red, and purple. And now you may say, what does the color of my phone matter if I put a case on it? Well, Apple's got you there too, because with the purple iPhone, they of course sent this purple case. So you can put your purple iPhone in your purple case and have it even purpler. You can see how the purple case surrounds almost all of the iPhone, but shows just enough through the camera bump here to show that you do in fact have the purple phone. iPhones come in all sorts of colors, and they've done so for a while. Colored phones have a long history. Phones are our most personal computing devices. They're something that we like to show off, something we slap down on a table, something we're holding to the side of our heads, something we have out in front of us. So colors matter and design matters. I'd say the first really popular colored phones were the Motorola Razr line in 2004-2005. The Razr, of course, was, we might call it the first fashion phone when it came out in 2004. Then it went pink in 2005, and then to a range of other colors. Now, the Razr was initially expensive, but colored phones really broke through to the masses, in my mind, with the LG Chocolate in 2006. The Chocolate was a huge hit. They sold 21 million of them worldwide, which was at the time a big number. And the Chocolate came in a range of colors. Apple, of course, has a history of colored products too. You might as well go all the way back to the 1998 iMacs. Steve Jobs' grand return to the company, which were in all sorts of crazy colors and patterns for the time. When it comes to portable devices, Apple started adding colors to the iPod mini line in 2004, and then of course the first colored iPhones came with the iPhone 5C. The iPhone 5C was made of plastic rather than metal, so it was much easier to color. Since then, Apple has perfected the method of getting various colors under its glass back onto the surface of the phone, giving you a wide range of iPhone color options. Now, the purple iPhone 12 and the purple iPhone 12 mini cost just the same as any other colored model do, but they're sure to juice up sales a bit as people say, hey, this color fits me where maybe the other ones didn't, or hey, I want to have an iPhone that looks new. So this is the purple iPhone 12 for you. Now, of course, we have our iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max reviews up on PC Mag, and you can take a look and decide which model is right for you. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe, and this has been Sasha Segan with PCMag.com.